Hey everyone, this is Kirk Roldan, and in today's video, I'm very excited because we have our new hired for social media marketing. And today, my goal is to onboard her for her new position in social media marketing. I'm very excited right now because we are also going to improve our social media content, social media production, and our also goal is to rank in AI overview. So right now, we are also creating content that feed those AI platforms out there and dominate the industries, no? So, yeah, without further ado, oh, by the way, welcome. Welcome to the team, no? Oo. So, today I'm going to train you for social media management and also your role here in the company. Are you excited? So, by the way, here's Arvin. He's the one who's going to help you in your new task, okay? And this is your focus task as of now. Posting to all social media channels, YouTube optimization, and also analytics. Tracking the Google Analytics, tracking those social media. So I know you already have an experience in social media, so I don't need to teach you what is social media, how to post in social media, and everything. No, I want to teach you our process and SOP and standard because we have a standard for posting on social media. You should follow that process because we do that for a long time already, and also we are improving the process. At last, I successfully onboarded our new social media marketer for Kirk Roldan SEO. And the goal here, by the way, is to be visible online and also rank on AI overviews, LLM. So that's why we are creating a lot of content, podcasts, blogs, and turning YouTube videos into blog and also to social media. I'm very excited because right now we are publishing daily content for our YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed yet, just go to Kirk Roldan SEO on YouTube. So you can see trainings about SEO and also white label. By the way, we do white label SEO and we are looking for partners who's interested and looking for a fulfillment services. So we are located in the Philippines. We are an office-based company here and we are looking to partner with someone who has a process SOP or years of experience in SEO. Just go to kirkroldanseo.com and go to pre-strategy session and let's schedule how I can help your business grow. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.